All right, guys. I'm in the middle of the road. We got a flat tire. Trying to put the spare on. Probably an hour away from where we're supposed to go. And I don't know, hopefully we can get this thing off. It's pretty rusted on there, so yeah. Alright guys, just got the new tire on. Here, I'll show you once this car passes by. Got the new tire on. My dad basically did all the work, but we are gonna get back on the road so we can get to the lake. I'll see you guys at the cabin. Good morning, y'all. It is the next day. Let's see what time it is. It is 7:15 a.m. Just about to go put the boat in now, and we're gonna probably troll for some walleye, and if that doesn't go well, probably gonna go for some crappie. I don't know, we'll see, but hopefully we can slay them walleye. You guys stay tuned. Okay guys, hopefully you can hear me all right. We just launched at a different lake which connects to the main lake that the cabin we're staying at is on. The water temp at this lake is 64 degrees. So I'm guessing the crappies are done spawning. We are gonna try to go for some walleye. It is 7:35 and we are gonna go to the other lake and troll for some walleye. Maybe jigging too, I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Let's go. We're just barely making it under this bridge. Wow. We just barely made it under that bridge. We just got lucky there. Thank God we made it through. Oh, okay. Let's go catch some fish. It's nice. There you go, guys. We're hooked up. It's coming right here, right now. Come on, Dad. It's really nice. Grab the net. It's coming right here. Oh, it's a carp. Something. Nice. Grab the net.
Sweet. Good job. Oh, yeah.
Well, keep the net out of the water, and then once it comes up, you gotta scoop it fast. Oh, it's a carp, I think. Oh, it's a catfish. There you go, guys. Little catfish action. What's up, guys? As you probably saw from the last clip, I caught a catfish and a carp. No walleyes or crappies yet. Actually pretty nice out, as you can see. Here's the lake. It's nice out. But I'm gonna try out the dock for a little bit, try to catch some crappies, maybe a walleye, who knows. I'm using fat heads and crappie minnows, and I'm hooking it with a pink hook with a bobber, and a weight is attached, as you can see right up there. So I will see you guys if we catch some. What is that? Crappie? Yeah. Oh, nice one. Wow. Here, I'll get the live well going. Good work. Oh my gosh. I just had a northern eat off my bobber. What the heck? I'm so confused. What the heck? There you go. Got one, guys. It is a crappie. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Oh my gosh. There you go. Nice crappie. Just casted it over there right by a tree and we got this guy. Here he goes into the live well. Got him. Another crappie. Yep. There you go, guys. Trying to keep it low key because I got people behind me. There you go, guys. Here's another dandy crappie. I'm gonna throw him in the live well. There you go. Okay, guys. So basically, what I'm doing is I got a. Here, let me show you my setup real quick. So I got a pink hook, a split shot, and a bobber, and I'm casting it right by that tree over there, right here. And I guess there's some crappies there. I'm putting it with a crappie minnow or a fathead minnow, and I guess we're getting them slowly, but hopefully we can get some more for you. Maybe I'll get my limit. I don't know. We'll see. You guys stay tuned. Let's slam, baby. Got him. Feels like a crappie. Oh, it's a dandy crappie. It's a dandy. Oh, yeah. Oh, let's go. This is a dandy crappie. Come on. Beautiful. Right away. I had this one crappie playing with it. Wouldn't eat it. Cast it back in there. Got this guy. Let's throw him in the live well now. There you go, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this crappie. Holy crap. Look at that crappie. Oh my gosh, guys. I just flipped it in there and he hit it right away off that tree. Let's go, guys. Look at that, guys. It's almost a 12-inch crappie. So close. It's just a slab. Here you go, guys. Had a bite. Trying to be quiet because I have somebody right behind me, but oh, come on. It's playing with it. Oh, come on. There you go, guys. Got him. Oh, it's a big crappie. Guys, that's a toad. That's a giant. That's a giant crappie. That's a giant. That's a giant. Holy crap. You guys, he choked it. Oh my gosh. 12.5-inch crappie. Just a
behemoth. So thick. Okay guys, got one playing with it. He definitely has it. He's not taking it under though. Got him. There you go guys, another gorgeous crappie. That was chaotic. Got another slab crappie though. Look at these. Look at these. Dinner plates. Look at them.
Okay guys, here's the pile. Look at all those crappies. Biggest one was 12 and a half, I believe. Maybe a little bigger than that. Had a great time on the water. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for more hunt and fishing videos, and I'll see you in the next one.